Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest their desires effortlessly, while others struggle to make things happen? What if I told you that you already have the ability to shape your reality and manifest things faster than you ever imagined? Whether it's attracting wealth, success, or even something as simple as a parking spot, the power is already within you. You are not just a passive observer in this world, you are an active creator. Today, we're going to explore how you can unlock this power. And by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to manifest quickly and effectively. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end, because I'll be sharing a powerful visualization exercise that will accelerate your manifesting process. Let's get started. Many people go through life feeling like they're just a small cog in a big machine, believing that they have little control over their destiny. This couldn't be further from the truth. You are not just a passive observer of life, you are an active creator, shaping your world through your thoughts, emotions, and intentions. Think of the universe as clay, and you are the sculptor. Every thought, every feeling, every intention you hold is like a tool, shaping that clay into the reality you desire. This is why intention is so powerful. When you send out clear, positive intentions into the universe, you're essentially placing an order for what you want, just like you would at a restaurant. But there's a catch. The universe is like a very literal waiter. If your order is vague, your results will be vague. If you're unsure or unclear about what you want, the universe will fill in the blanks, and you might end up with something you didn't ask for. For instance, if you're trying to manifest a new job and you only focus on "I want a better job," the universe might give you a slightly better job, but one that doesn't really fulfill you. But if you're clear, "I want a job where I'm respected, well compensated, and have opportunities for growth," you're giving the universe a precise blueprint, and it will bring you exactly what you want. A personal example of how powerful this can be is when I go to the city. I always visualize that I will find a parking spot close to my destination. Before I even leave the house, I see myself driving into a perfect spot, easily and without stress. And guess what? Almost every time, there's a space waiting for me right where I imagined it. It's a small thing, but it shows how clear intention, backed by belief, can make things happen in the real world. Now that you understand how powerful it is to be the creator of your reality, you'll want to learn how your past and future play a role in amplifying your manifesting power. Stick around, because this is where the magic really starts to unfold. You are more than just the person you are in this lifetime. Imagine your soul as a vast library, with each book representing a life you've lived or will live. Your past experiences, both in this life and others, shape your current reality, while your future is something you can align with through conscious intention. This is where the fascinating subjects of past life regressions and future progressions come into play. Past life regressions allow you to tap into the experiences of your previous lives, bringing forward lessons and insights that can help you in your current journey. These experiences don't just disappear, they leave energetic imprints that can influence your present life. For example, if you have recurring patterns or challenges, whether it's in relationships, finances, or career, they may be rooted in unresolved issues from a past life. By understanding these patterns, you can break free from them and manifest the life you truly desire. But we're not just limited to looking backward. Future progressions allow you to peek into the upcoming chapters of your soul's journey. Imagine being able to see yourself 1, 3, or even 5 years into the future, living the life of your dreams. What does that future version of you look like? What do you feel? By tapping into that energy, you can start aligning yourself with the future you desire now. Here's how this works. If you want to manifest a successful business, for example, you can visualize your future self as someone who has already built that business. You see yourself managing a thriving company, enjoying the financial freedom it brings, and living a life of purpose. By visualizing this future, you begin to act and think like that successful business owner now, making choices that align with that reality. Understanding your past and future is powerful, but if you're not crystal clear about what you want, none of this will matter. Next, let's dive into why being specific is the key to manifesting quickly and effectively. Trust me, you don't want to miss this part. It's what makes the difference between success and frustration. One of the most common mistakes people make when trying to manifest is being vague about what they want. Clarity is everything. Think about it like this. If you walk into a restaurant and simply say, "I'm hungry," you leave it up to the waiter to decide what you'll eat. You might end up with something you don't like or can't eat. The same principle applies when you're vague about your desires. The universe will fill in the blanks, but the results may not be what you truly wanted. To manifest quickly and effectively, you need to be specific. Take time to really think about what you want. Write it down, speak it out loud, and make it as real as possible in your mind. Visualization is a powerful tool in this process because it helps you create a mental picture of your desire as if it's already happening. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. I've been visualizing my videos getting a lot of views. Each day, I imagine seeing the numbers climb. More views, more comments, more engagement. While I'm not there yet, this practice keeps me focused on the outcome, and it sets the energy in motion. When you visualize something with enough intensity, you're sending out a strong vibrational frequency to the universe, saying, "This is what I want, and I know it's already mine." Now that you know how important it is to be specific, there's another crucial piece of the puzzle you need to understand: letting go of the how. This is where most people trip up, but don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to handle it in the next section. Keep watching because this might just change everything for you. One of the biggest blocks to manifesting quickly is getting too caught up in how your desires will come to fruition. When you focus too much on the mechanics, trying to control every detail, you actually create resistance. This limits the universe's ability to bring your desires to you in unexpected, miraculous ways. Here's the truth: you don't need to know how it will happen. Your job is to be clear about what you want and why you want it. The how is up to the universe. When you let go of trying to figure out every step, you allow the universe to deliver your desires in ways you could never imagine. Think about it like planting a seed. When you plant a seed in the ground, you don't need to know exactly how it will grow into a plant. You just trust that if you water it and give it sunlight, nature will take care of the rest. The same applies to manifestation. Once you've set your clear intentions, let go and trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires to life. Now that you understand the power of letting go, it's time to supercharge your manifestation process with a powerful exercise that will help you step into your future self. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. It's one of the most effective tools for manifesting quickly. As promised, here's a powerful technique to help you manifest quickly: the future progression exercise. This guided visualization allows you to step into your future and align with the energy of your desires as if they've already manifested. Close your eyes and imagine yourself standing at the base of a grand staircase. Each step you take brings you closer to your future. As you reach the top, you see 3 doors: one that leads 1 year into the future, another 3 years, and the last one 5 years. Choose a door, open it, and step through. Now, visualize your future self living the life you've always dreamed of. What do you see? Who is with you? How does it feel? Experience every detail vividly. This isn't just about imagining the future. It's about aligning your current energy with that future reality, so it begins to manifest in your present life. Now that you've experienced your future self, let's wrap up with a quick review of the key lessons from today's journey and how you can apply them to start manifesting quickly right now. In today's video, we've explored how you are the creator of your reality, the importance of being specific with your desires, and why letting go of the how is key to manifesting quickly. Remember, manifestation is all about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and intentions with what you want, and trusting that the universe will deliver in ways beyond your imagination. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with what you're manifesting right now. And as always, trust the process, stay focused, and know that your desires are already on their way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.